Hi everyone, it's good to be here. Welcome back to my channel. So this is how I'm going to join the pieces together. Let me spread it out so that you can see it's a bustier. So this I'm going to place it and sew together. This I'm going to sew it together, that is the front side of it. And here is our peplum also. So the peplum will be at the bottom side. So let me take it up so that you can see what I'm doing here. So this is it. So I'm just showing you how it will look like when we finish doing all of it. So this is the peplum here. So this is how it will be. So here is my peplum. This is how we're going to place it at the bottom part. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to sew it. And also we also have the back side of it to join the pieces together. So this is it. So this is the back side. I'm just showing you what I'm going to do. So I'll go and join it on the machine. Please watch my video down to the end. Let's dive in and sew it on the machine now. So I've gone to gum stain it now. So you can see the way I've done it now. So this is the front side of the bustier. And this is the middle side of the bustier also. So this is it. So this I'm going to go and sew it together. Sew it like this. So this I'm going to sew it. So I'm just showing you what I will do. So also with the back side, this I'm going to sew it too, because I also gonna stain it using the side also to sew on it like this. So this I'm going to sew it now. So for this I'm going to sew it. Also with my peplum, I've gone to gum stain it, and what we use to gum it is gum stain. That's what they call it. So it's gum stain. So this is how you are going to gum it now. After that, we'll now join it together. So I've joined the piece together. This is the back side of it. So this I'm going to put it together. So this is the front back side, and the lining is there also. So I will just lay it like this so that will cut. And also let me show you the front bustier piece also. So we are going to join it and iron it. And this is the main fabric too that we have joined. So this I'm going to join it and cut. Remember, we have not cut the neck. So the next step now is to cut the neck now. So let me put it like this so that you see what I'm doing now. So can you see how it is? So this I'm going to cut the front and the back together now for the neck. So the next step now is to cut the neck. That is, I'll go ahead now to mark 5 inches for the neck. I'm bringing it down. I will bring it by 3.5 inches, and it's a kino neck. So this is my 3.5 inches to bring it down. As for the back neckline, I will be marking 2 inches. So this is my 2 inches for the back neckline. So coming to our shoulder is 17 inches. So this is our shoulder now. So I'll mark my 17 inches. That is 8.5 inches is what I'm marking. So that is the line. So after that, to bring it down for the armhole line, I will be marking 7.5. So now I'll go ahead now to measure the bust. So my bust is 45. So this is my 45 inches. Adding my sewing allowance 2 inches. So coming to the same side is the bust. So this is my my bust 45. So that is my 45 inches for the bust. So to the under bust and the waist is 43. So this is my 43 inches. Adding my sewing allowance on it. So that means we have gotten everything that we want now. So then I will roll it like this and curve it like this. So all the marks together will join it. So we join the mark like this and like this. So then we'll cut it, and before then, remember to mark 1 inch to curve the downside so that it will lay very well when adding our flare. Remember, it will have a flare at the under. So then now I will cut. I will start from the neck side to cut it now. So this is my neck. I'm starting from the back neckline side to cut. So that is it. So continue to cut it like this. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos down to the end. So I will still cut the armholes. I'll continue cutting it like this. So what we are making is bustier, is what we are cutting, and it will have a flare. So I will also show you the flare. So we have done that now. So let me go and stitch the neck, and before then I will cut the front neck now. So that's my front neck that I've cut now. So we'll go and stitch it now. Our flare is being joined, like we have stitched it, you can see. So this I'm going to join it on the upper side of the top that we are making, like the blouse. So now I will be joining the body part now. So I'll be using the back to join it. So we start with our bust measurements. So my bust is 45. This is my 45. So what remains there is just 2 inches. So I will mark 1 inch here. Coming to the other side, 1 inch. As for the waist is 43 inches. So this is my waist, 43 inches. So what we'll mark here, you just remain 3. So 1.5 this side, 1.5 for the other side. So then we'll mark the chop together, the lines, and then mark it, and then go and stitch. So that's what I will do now. I will take it and go and stitch. So I will be pinning it around the waist, and I will start it from the zipper side of it, using my pin to pin it and to go and stitch it on the machine. So I'll start from the zipper side now. So this I'm pinning it now. I'm pinning it around the waist and go and sew it. So after that now, let me return it so that I'll go and sew it round. So this is it now. So the next step is the sleeve. So I folded it now. So what I will do now, I will take the length. The length is 7 inches. So that's my length, and it's a cap sleeve that we are making. So I will just curve it, and also to check it is 3 inches that I'm marking there. That is 3 inches. So what I will do, I will take the weight. So the weight is 8.5, and then I will cut. So please subscribe to my channel. Please watch my video down to the end. So that is it now. So I'm cutting it now. So after doing all of this is to go and stitch it on the top that we are making, and then our top will be ready. So now I will take it to the machine to go and stitch on the body part. So this is the sleeve now. It's done. So you can see how it is now. So this it came out. So please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to friends, comment and like. Please, I will see you next time in my next video.